upon a time was a forest. All the animals in the woods live very happy. They doesn't have to worry about any human activity, so the forest was protected as a natural park. There were many animals: the squirrel, the bear, the geese, the castor, the friendly snake, the fox, and the bird. But once humans appeared. They want to make some fireworks, but it doesn't go well. One firework exploded before it had to explode and make some fire on the forest. The animals were really scared, but it wasn't all loose. The squirrel ran and tell to all the animals what was happening. The bear made the humans make way. The bees helped it. The castor threw water to the fire. And the bird, he alerted all the other animals. Finally, they can end the fire. Everyone live happy again.
Once upon a time, 5 girls went on a hike. The girls were Mariona, Rocío, Marta, Maria, and Justine. That afternoon, they decided to go on an excursion. As they were so playful, they started chasing a poor rabbit. But they were lost. They walked aimlessly and without realizing it was night. After a while, they found a cave, and they planned to spend the night there. But weren't expecting to find a space rocket. They went to a space rocket, and Maria, who could not be still, touched a button on the space rocket, took off so fast that they decided not to realize it, and they were already on the moon. To be continued.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was an astronaut who wanted to go to the space to see the moon. He built a spaceship. When he set off, he was very happy. But when he arrived to the moon, he saw an alien. He was scared, so he returned to the Earth. But in the spaceship, there was another alien, and he exploded the spaceship, and everybody died.
Everybody died. Well done, then.
Once upon a time, Russia and USA were angry because USA disturbed Russians. And then Russians throw a rocket to USA. But Russians throw another rocket to USA and Russian started a battle. And who win?
Anyone.
That's all.